Listen carefully. If your mornings are no longer like they used to be, and you know what I mean, then this message is for you. Every day you already drink your coffee, but imagine if that cup could become much more. A natural aid for circulation, energy, and even those morning situations that lately seem less reliable. The truth is that the solution isn't always found at the pharmacy. It often starts right in the kitchen. Today, I will show you how to turn your coffee into a simple but powerful habit, capable of giving you steady energy, supporting circulation, and improving your performance. It's not magic, it's common sense. Because coffee alone gives you a boost, yes, but shortly after, you experience a crash, and you deserve much more. Before diving into the main part of the video, I want to tell you something important. Stay with me until the end, because I will reveal a simple trick that can truly improve your mornings. It's up to you, for your well-being, and also for me. Every like, comment, and subscription helps me grow the channel and continue creating useful content. Subscribe now and comment which city you're watching from, so I can greet you personally. Now let's dive into the video and discover together all the secrets to transforming your mornings. After age 50, the body changes. Hormones decline, blood vessels lose elasticity, and stress weighs more and more. And that morning caffeine boost isn't enough. It's only a temporary fix. What you need is a routine capable of supporting you throughout the day. Think of your body as a high-end engine. It runs best only if you give it quality fuel. The good news? You don't need expensive remedies. Just add simple ingredients found in any supermarket. The first is cinnamon. A quarter teaspoon is enough, preferably Ceylon cinnamon, which is also perfect for daily use. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, protects the small arteries responsible for more delicate circulation, and provides more consistent energy. Plus, it gives coffee a warm, spicy touch that you already know well. Start with a little, every day, and listen to how your body reacts. Many men immediately notice more stable energy and less desire for mid-morning snacks. The second addition to coffee is unsweetened cocoa powder, not sweetened mixes or instant chocolate, but pure, dark, unsweetened cocoa. Just a teaspoon in the coffee. Cocoa is rich in flavonols, compounds that stimulate nitric oxide, helping blood vessels to dilate and improving circulation. It also contains magnesium, useful for muscles, testosterone, and mood, transforming the coffee into a kind of sugar-free mocha, which you can lightly sweeten with stevia or monk fruit. Then there's maca, an adaptogenic root that doesn't produce immediate effects but helps rebalance the stress system, supporting energy, mood, and desire. After 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use, many notice increased clarity, vitality, and more effective workouts. Coconut oil or medium-chain triglycerides, MCT, when blended into hot coffee, emulsify and become a quick source of energy, making caffeine more steady without nervousness or sudden crashes. Finally, ginger, fresh or powdered, adds warmth, stimulates circulation, and helps reduce daily inflammatory stress. There's no need to add everything all at once. Start with one ingredient at a time, for example, cinnamon and cocoa, then gradually add maca, coconut oil or MCT, and ginger, building a simple and lasting routine that accompanies you every day. Just a teaspoon in the cup, pour the coffee and stir. If you use maca, keep the jar within reach. For a creamy version, blend coconut oil or medium-chain triglycerides, MCT, with a milk frother to get a cappuccino-like foam. For ginger, just a thin slice in the cup before pouring the coffee. On weekends, you can try a richer version. Freshly brewed coffee, a teaspoon of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of cocoa, and a piece of fresh ginger, all blended for 30 seconds for a creamy, tasty drink that's really good for circulation and energy. However, remember some rules. Don't overdo it with the quantities. Start slowly and increase gradually. Avoid sweetened cocoa, sweetened cinnamon, or candied ginger. And never substitute medical treatments with these ingredients. If you suffer from diabetes, heart, kidney, depression, or other serious conditions, always talk to your doctor. This is not a cure, but a daily supportive habit that takes a few weeks to show results. A simple 30-day plan can help you build the routine. First week, add a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon to the coffee. Second week, keep the cinnamon and add a teaspoon of cocoa. Third week, try maca on 3 mornings. Fourth week, add a teaspoon of blended coconut oil or a quarter teaspoon of ginger, adjusting the doses if the stomach is sensitive. Keep track of your progress by noting daily energy and sensations. Those following this routine often notice more stable energy, less nervousness, fewer cravings for snacks, greater clarity, better workouts, and more reliable mornings. If you are taking anticoagulants, have liver problems, uncontrolled high blood pressure, or other ongoing therapies, consult your doctor. And if you suffer from reflux, start with cinnamon and cocoa before adding ginger. If in the morning you are sensitive to fats, start with half a teaspoon of coconut oil, or use medium-chain triglycerides, known as MCTs, which are easily digestible fats rapidly converted into energy by the body without weighing down the stomach. Remember, every morning you can improve your day with just 1 teaspoon. Your body can still perform at its best. It just needs the right fuel. Try one ingredient for a week, then add another. If you already put something in your coffee, observe how it makes you feel. If you try these tips, notice the changes. Small habits make a big difference. More stable energy, greater vitality, and more reliable mornings. Results don't come in a day, but by building a routine step by step, improvements become lasting. Take care of yourself. Simple gestures, repeated every day, can truly change your energy and well-being. If you liked this video and think it might be helpful to someone you know, share it. Take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and stay updated on all our weekly content. See you in the next video. And remember, the secret is in good habits.